I received this product for you to try, but I'm so impressed when I opened it because it comes with so many ear ends here, and I cannot wait to try it. I need to switch to a smaller size. I will mainly use it with my phone, which is so easy to carry around when I'm having a pouch with me, and it fits great and it's very sturdy. I like the cable that it's covered with some thread, or it's not cable like plastic, but it's like knitted netting over it. It's really very nice to the touch. After listening to some music, I concluded that these earphones deliver crystal clear sound with deep balanced bass. The dual dynamic drivers ensure crisp highs and mids, while noise isolation enhances focus. Ultra thin and comfortable, they're perfect for long wear, even while sleeping. Durable braided cable, tangle-free design, and inline controls make them a must-have.